So today I was having an issue with multiple iPad digitizers where sitting loosely the digitizer was perfectly fine, but as soon as I pushed it in to try and stick it down, I was having issues. Have a guess which battery was installed in the iPad that was having this problem. If you guess the battery in the middle or on the left hand side, you're correct. The top cell on that battery had expanded to about double the size of a healthy battery, and whenever I was pushing it in or screwing the screen down, it was pushing it out, in turn touching the digitizer, giving me touch issues. So that is one thing to note with iPads when you're doing the replacement of them, is the actual thickness of the battery that's installed. Because you definitely can have issues with an expanded battery and replacing a digitizer. Just a word of caution, and I'll catch you later. Bye.